Today we're going to look at this really cool little kitchen gadget and how it works. It's got a removable handle at the top, which slots into the metal shaft to help you twist it. Connected to the other end of the shaft are these two metal rings, which have a sharp cutting edge on one face, and we're going to start by testing it out on a cucumber. I cut off a section like this, and inserted the spike centrally. Then twisted the tool down and into the cucumber. The angle of the cutting hoops automatically pulls it through. I kept going until it came out of the other end. Then I pulled it back out of the top. There was a bit of the insides which didn't stay on the cutter. We've got this hollowed out cucumber and the amazing spiralized insides. Remove the handle and pull it off the skewer to see what you've actually got. This is a bit slimy, but it makes a great accessory to decorate a salad, and you don't have to waste the other part either. The Gadget probably works better on potatoes because they're a bit firmer. I was able to cut straight through this potato. Then I pushed out the middle and removed the skewer. I tried it out with a carrot. First of all I chopped off the end, then bored a hole straight down from the top. When the cutter started breaking through the sides as the carrot tapered off, I broke off the end and peeled back the outer to reveal this amazing spiral carrot. Pretty cool, huh? Remove it from the skewer and you can see just how amazing it is. I did it a few more times. I actually found I could get 2 out of 1 potato. And I'm going to roast them in the oven to see how they turn out. For these, I'm uncoiling the carrot spirals. Unfortunately, one did break a bit, and I'm doing the same with this potato one. Then I'm coiling a carrot spiral into a potato spiral to make this amazing white and orange stripy vegetable snack. I did the same with the other one, and it should look like this. I placed them onto the baking tray, squirted on a little oil, and placed them into the oven to roast. When they were nice and golden, they were ready to eat. You could serve these up as part of a meal, maybe with fish cakes, or with a burger, or serve them up just as they are. They go really well with ketchup or dipping sauce. They're great fun to make, and they taste really good. If you want to buy one of these spiral cutting gadgets, there's a link in the description below. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you want to see more, you can click on the links or take a look at my YouTube channel page. Stay safe, have fun, and as always, thanks for watching.